Started.
Hello everyone, this is Avinash, your tennis manager from the Shrewsbury club. I hope everyone's staying safe and doing well. I'm going to go over the forehand and backhand volleys today. So the volley is a vital part of our game. It's very prominent in the doubles game, and it's also a prominent finishing shot in singles. So first step to hitting a successful volley is grabbing the racket in a continental grip, which if you guys don't know what a continental grip is, you hold your left hand on the throat of the racket and your right hand you grab like you're shaking the racket's hand. That's a continental grip. So you get your racket in front of you, you get your left hand on the throat of the racket as a guide hand. So we're in a neutral stance right now. So we're gonna split step, nice wide base. Once we split step, we use our right leg as kind of our back foot, and then we step forward with our left leg, and we keep our racket in a nice U shape here. So our racket's we're in a ready position. So we split step and move forward, split step and move forward here for a forehand volley. You don't notice how I'm not swinging. Notice how I'm using my body weight to move forward, and my footwork. So I split step, my footwork, and I move forward. So this is a nice little volley progression that we can do at home. So in our backyards, kind of get back, we can split step, move forward, split step, move forward, split step, move forward. And then now we're gonna go over the backhand volley. So that was the forehand volley there. With the backhand volley, it's the same thing. You grab the racket on the throat and you grab it like you're shaking the racket's hand. So as far as what we're gonna do now, backhand volley. So if you don't feel comfortable with one hand, you can have a support hand on the throat. So as far as the backhand volley, so this is if you want to have a support hand, you're going to split step, you're going to turn your shoulder, slight shoulder turn here. You're going to step with your left foot and move forward with your right foot. So your back foot's your left foot here, and move forward. Split step and move forward. So if you are comfortable doing it with one hand, this is what we're going to do. Split step, forward, split step, forward, split step, forward. So now on the backhand volley, we're going to do a little progression here. So we split step, move forward, split step, move forward, split step, move forward. So that's the basic volley there. So now, if you're a lefty, I was doing all of that for right-handed players. So now if you're a lefty, it's the same thing. You're gonna grab the throat on the handle. You're gonna grab the throat with the right hand, and then you're gonna shake hands with your left hand. So this is for a lefty here, left-handed player. So as far as the forehand volley goes, you're gonna split step, and now your base foot is your left foot, and your front foot's your right foot. So with the right-handed player, your base foot was your right foot, front foot was the left foot. So with the left-handed player, your base is the left foot and your front is the right foot. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna split step. We're gonna step, kind of have like a little pivot step. We're gonna stiff forward with our right foot. So split step, step forward, split step, step forward here. So now it's the same progression for you left-handed players here. We're gonna split step. We're gonna move forward. Notice how I'm split stepping and kind of like stepping with my back foot and then moving forward with my right foot. Split step, move forward, step and move forward. So now, backhand volley, it's the same thing that we did for our right-handed players, except it's just gonna be the opposite hand and opposite foot. So now, my right hand's my support hand and guide hand here. So I'm gonna split, move back, and as far as my backhand volley goes, I'm gonna have a slight shoulder turn here. I'm gonna step and move forward. So step with my right foot. My left foot is forward here. Step, move forward. So as far as like what I want, what I'm looking for myself to have a nice shoulder turn here. So I have a nice shoulder turn. So as far as like we're gonna have a nice little progression. We're gonna split step, move forward, split step, move forward here, move forward. So that's the basic backhand and forehand volley. If you guys have any questions about doing this progression here, please email me at avi@shrewsburyclub.com. Again, it's avi@shrewsburyclub.com. Thank you. Have a nice day.